Hello student, in the last session you learned the idea of VB, menu bar, standard toolbar, form layout window. Today topic is ID, second part, toolbox, property window, code editor window, object browser. Toolbox display the control which is required to build an application. For example, labels are used to provide the user information. Again, text box collect the information from the user. While working with window, surely you have used these controls. Property window list the property setting of uh, surely you have used these controls. The toolbox window with controls available. Pointer provide way to move resize the control form. Picture box, text box, frame, command button, check box, option button, list box, combo box, horizontal scroll bar, vertical scroll bar, timer, drive list box, directory list box, file list box, shape, line, image, data, OLE, and label. These controls are used for the development of any Windows application. You can drag the control from the toolbox and the drop on the form for the development of any window based GUI based application. Second is properties window. Property window lists the property setting of the selected object such as the form or a control. Property means the characteristics of the objects, that is size, caption, forecolor, back color, font, etc. Property changes according to your object selection, that is properties of command button and list box is not same. In the diagram displaying the properties of the form, in the property window you can select the object by choosing them from the property combo list. In the similar way you can hide, resize and move the window as you have done for the project explorer and form layout window. You can select the object and change their back color, border style, caption, text, font, icon. These types of the various types of the property you can set. All the characteristics of an object are called its property. Thus form has property and any control placed on it will have properties too. Code editor window. To open the code editor window, click on the V code button from the project explorer window. Another way opening the window is double click on the form. When you click on the double click on the form or any object for which you want to add the code, in the left side the various types of the controls you can choose. Form control or another control you take on your form, and on the right side you choose the event such as load event, click event, double click event. It is a word processor specially designed for writing the code for the Visual Basic application. When you type the name of the function or the argument template get display automatically. Again, while typing the name of the object or control from the drop down list property of the control, you can choose the control from the left side of the combo box, and you can select the event from the right side of the combo box. Suppose you can select the form and their load event, you can write their code. Next is object browser. Object browser displays the list of the object that can be used in the project. It also displays the information of the properties and methods of the various objects which are listed in the object browser. Select the object from the object browser. List the view the methods and property. Object browser window is also movable and resizable. Here you select the object app and their members are present. The object browser allows to browse through the various property, event and methods are made available to us. It is possible for us scroll through the list and select the object or class that we wish to inspect. After an object is picked up from the classes list, you can see its member, property, methods and events in the right column. Thank you. Today close here session.